Hey Diamonds, thank you for joining me once again. We are going to jump right into the Nubian Royal by JUVIA'S place. Y'all know I love me some purple eyeshadow, and this palette definitely delivers. Look at that beauty. Let's get it, y'all.
She's a boss, she's a bitch. I take that as a compliment. I've been trying not to go off the deep end.
To prep my lid, I used my P. Louise base, Rumor 4. And first I blended it out with my finger, and then I switched to my Morphe's M173 brush. To set that, I used my Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder and a dry beauty blender, using a patting and pressing motion. To start the look, I took the third shade in the palette, which is a vivid purple, and I applied it to the outer third of my eye, from the crease all the way up to my brow bone, using my Moda's Super Crease brush. To blend out the edge of that, I took the fourth shade in the palette so that I could get a nice gradient effect. And I did that with my Morphe's M456 brush. From there, I go back and forth between the third and the fourth shade, adding color and blending it away using the brushes that I applied them with. You want to take your time with this, Diamonds, because you want that blend to be perfection. I sped it up for time's sake, but absolutely take your time. This shade right here, y'all, absolutely my favorite. Is super buttery and pigmented. Woohoo! And I patted that on my lid using my Real Techniques Instapop shade brush. To blend the two shades together, I grab my Luxie's 131 mini angled brush. And then I went back again over all the shades, adding more color and blending it out where necessary. To fill that void on my lid, I took my Morphe's M213 brush and that first press glitter in the palette. Man, such a beautiful, beautiful color. It's a little darker than the lilac, but way lighter than that darker purple. perfect transition. Diamonds, I am so sorry that I am distracted, y'all, but I am catching up on The Handmaid's Tale. Now, season 4 took absolutely forever to drop, and baby, it is good. So if y'all got Hulu, run over, check out The Handmaid's Tale. Won't be disappointed. Then I blended that lilac and that 4th shade out with my M456 brush. For liner, I chose Stila's Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Intense Black. I love this because it has the, it doesn't have the brush, but it has like the spongy type of applicator. Perfect for precision. To intensify that and matte it out, I took Clairol's Temporary Root Touch Up in the color Black. This is a game changer for me. It definitely makes your liner pop. To prep my lashes for my falsies, I chose Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High. For falsies, I chose a local vendor that I found. Her name is A Kiss and Tell Closet, and these are Zaza 25 millimeters. Absolutely love them. And then I primed my inner corner with my Anastasia's glitter glue using my e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush. And then with my Morphe's 213, I added this Razzle Dazzle to my inner corner. It's like a purpley silver color. With that same glitter, I applied that with my e.l.f. eyeliner brush and applied that directly to my brow bone. To line my waterline, I took Aveda's Eye Definer in the shade 920 Black Orchid. And with a small crease brush, I took that 3rd shade in the palette, which was that vivid purple, and applied that directly up under that eyeliner. To highlight, I chose Maybelline's Master, is that holographic highlighter, and it is in the shade 100. It doesn't have a name, but I love it. It's so cute. To line my lips, I used a no-name eyeliner that I got off Amazon in the shade Violet. And for lipstick, I chose Juvia's Place Liquid Lipstick in the shade Moro, and it's a metallic lipstick. And diamonds, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, become a part of the Diamond Squad so you never miss another video. Diamonds, as always, until next time.